On the leg press, there are two adjustable parts. The main one being the back pad. To adjust the height of this, lightly pull up on the handle first. From there, you can easily pull the pin out and adjust it to be more upright, more laid back. Or for most people, they're gonna be right in the middle. Similar to any squatting motion, similar to a Smith machine squat, a power squat, a leg press, a free weight squat, where you put your feet on the platform is going to dictate where you feel it the most or what muscles you target more specifically. So for now, I'm going to leave the back pad at this angle. There's 7 adjustable parts. I have it down on the 5th one right now, so it's still fairly upright. The next moving piece, the safety pins. Okay, so depending on your own range of motion will dictate how high up you have these, or if you're doing a calf raise, you can raise it up really high. But to adjust this, it's pretty simple. I'll show this side. You pull the pin up, and then it slides up or down. I'm going to leave it all the way down so that I don't bottom out and smack the safety pins. To get into the machine, easiest way to do it, have both hands here on top, step in one at a time, and then use your hands to lower yourself down. Once you're here, get your feet roughly where you want them to be for your set. I'm going to press up. I have my hands on these upper handles, slide those out as I press the weight up. Now the platform is free to move up or down. From here, I'm not gonna grip this one. I'm gonna have my hands on these fixed handles, pulling myself down into the seat, laying my head back. And from here, I have just a traditional squat stance. My feet are slightly outside my hip width, toes are maybe slightly angled out, and like any other squat, as the plate lowers down, you want the knees to point where your feet are pointed, okay? And then with even foot pressure, I'm gonna press back up to the top. So when I say your knees should track where your feet are pointing, all that means is that if my feet are pointed out here, I don't want my knees coming in like this. Or if my feet are pointed in, I don't want my knees coming out here. Mostly though, to solve that, just keep even foot pressure on the plate. And by that, I mean don't just push with your heels, don't just push with your toes, keep your feet flat on the plate.